welcome to the vlog.
Like this?
Yeah.
Or is it more like this?
Probably the first one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no. Flushed. Temporary clothes. Oh, probably just holiday.
So basically, this cat is the god of thunder, so it's actually Thor in disguise, and this is Thor's both, like, that's their servants. This is the humble tea maker. Thor is a tyrant, so they, stand on binary, poison the tea to give to the god of thunder so that he can die, the cat. It's gonna make me cringe so
Just
much.
do it.
I'm gonna kill you, and then Thor is like, oh heavens, fucking kill them. So they get the thunderbolt, and it's like psh, going to them. But then this is their lover, and they're like, no, don't touch my non-binary.
Private parts?
Oh, I got myself in the back. I don't want myself in the back. What happens is this one here.
NBPP.
NBPP.
Non-binary private parts.
Non-binary private parts. The lover gets the fire from, of course, the mouth of this one, and then goes to go like this. But this is also going. So what's going to happen? It's going to clash, and in the clash, it's going to wake up this dragon. Backflip, and then it's going to be like him. It's going to be like, who woke me up? But then the non-binary one gets this and is like, and throws it, and it's like, and then the dragon's like, I love fan.
Yeah. Ooh.
What if I just the flame? And it's like, and kills Thor, and then the tea of poison flies away, and now I'm pregnant.
Are we in?
Yeah, we're in it. Oh my gosh.
It's hard to imitate them. I understand.
Just like look pissed off. Ooh.
Cheers, people.
Okay, you can see how hench I am. And then we add
I'll get my finger in there.
to me.
You.
Me, you, me, you. Nobody, baby, but you and no, you and me.
You and me.
Nobody, baby, but you and hey.
You gassed already.
It's us two.